Let me guess. You checked your bank account this morning and it's a disaster. Again. But what if I told you you could start saving money today, even if you're completely broke? Most people think saving money is only for the rich. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, you feel stuck. But that's not true. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to save money fast, even if you have nothing right now. Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Dan, and I help people take control of their money and build real wealth. If you're ready to change your financial life, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Here's how to start saving money fast, even if you're broke. Step 1. Track every single dollar you spend for the next 7 days. Write it down. Use your phone. Use an app. Just make sure you track everything. Here's the trick. Make it a game. Catch yourself wasting money. The goal is to become aware of where your money is actually going. Step 2. Cut one thing, not everything. Don't try to cut all your expenses at once. That's how people fail. Instead, pick just one expense to remove. Maybe it's daily delivery. Maybe it's an unused subscription. Maybe it's coffee you can make at home. Cutting just one thing can save you hundreds over time. Step 3. Pay yourself first. This is the real secret. Most people save what's left after spending, but the smart way is to save first. Even if it's just $1 a day, put it aside before you spend anything else. This small habit will change your financial life over time. Step 4. Use cash, not cards. When you use physical cash for daily expenses, you naturally spend less. It's proven. So try it for a week. You'll be shocked at how much money you keep in your pocket. Step 5. Start a small side hustle. Saving is great, but sometimes you just need to make more money. Sell something online. Offer a service. Do freelance work. Try affiliate marketing. Even an extra $50 a week can change everything. So, are you ready to start? Don't wait until next month. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.